How to buy groceries from Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz. Once the site opens, look for the food section from the catalog or simply use the search bar to find the products you need. Browse through the grocery items and select the ones you want to purchase. After choosing a product, click on it to view details such as price, weight, and delivery options, then click Add to Cart. Continue shopping until you have added all your groceries. When you are ready, go to the shopping cart by clicking on the basket icon. Check your selected items carefully and then click Proceed to Checkout. Enter your delivery address, select your delivery method, and choose the payment option such as bank card, cash on delivery, or installment if available. Finally, confirm your order and wait for the delivery. Your groceries from Uzum Market will be delivered right to your doorstep quickly and conveniently. Now you know how to buy groceries from Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.